In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to code HTML in Replit. We'll be taking advantage of Replit's AI tools to streamline the process and get you up and running with your project in no time. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Replit dashboard. Once you're there, we're going to kick things off by creating a new project. You'll want to look for the option to Create App. But here's where the magic happens. You're going to select Create with Replit Agent, or something similar. This is a fantastic way to leverage the AI-driven capabilities that Replit offers, making our workflow smoother and faster. Once you're in, it's time to give our agent a prompt. Think of this as a friendly chat where you tell it exactly what you want. For instance, you might say, "Build me a simple website with a home page and an about page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript." This is just a starting point, so feel free to tailor your prompt based on your specific needs. The agent will then propose a plan outlining the steps it'll take to build your project. Take a moment to review this plan, ensuring it aligns with your vision before you give it the green light. Upon your approval, the agent will work its magic, creating essential files like index, email, and about HTML, along with the CSS, JavaScript, and necessary folder structure. It's all done for you, which is pretty neat. But even though we've got a great starting point, you'll likely want to make some tweaks to truly make it your own. That's where manual editing comes into play. Check out the file tree on your screen, typically on the left-hand side, and open up your index HTML file. This is where you get to roll up your sleeves and dive into the code. Feel free to make changes to the HTML tags, update content, or even adjust the styling to suit your taste. After making your changes, don't forget to save your work and then refresh or run your project to see the latest updates come to life. Viewing your work is a breeze. Simply use the Run button or the Preview pane, if Replit provides one, to take a look at your HTML pages in action. Thanks to the links you coded, you can navigate between pages effortlessly, giving you a comprehensive view of your project's navigation. As you explore new ideas or enhancements, iterations with the agent can be incredibly beneficial. Let's say you want to add a new page, adjust some styling, or add new functionality. Just chat with the agent or use the assistant by prompting something like, "Add a contact page with a form," or "Change the header color to blue." The AI-driven tools in Replit provide a responsive and dynamic development experience, allowing you to tailor your project with flexibility and ease. And there you have it, a seamless way to code HTML in Replit, using its powerful tools and AI capabilities to facilitate your coding journey.